Hey friends, in case anybody wants to know what's been going on this Camaro, is bottom line up front, this quarter panel was a little bit longer, you know, this way than the other side. They appear to be two different stampings, and the owner of this car and I, we racked our brains a lot to try to figure out, or actually to avoid doing what I ultimately had to do on this car, which was cut out about a 1/4 inch, maybe about that, I can't remember exactly how much, and move it back to allow this door to fit. Both doors were identical, brand new. We have brand new hinges, brand new bolts. Even tried to maximize the adjustments in here, but that didn't change the fact that the quarters were different. The other side fit perfectly and still does. This side now has a very good gap and very good dimensions. I had to cut this off, and I just welded a seam right down here where my finger is, all the way down. And this whole B-pillar plate I removed off the new quarter, and the underlying structure plate, B-pillar, I removed that and moved that back, and then reinstalled this striker plate, the B-pillar plate, because it used to strike on the door. It doesn't do that anymore. We've got a good fit all the way down, and even on the bottom now this has sort of corrected itself. We still have lateral lines are good. I'm actually very impressed and very proud to render this product for Manny, the owner of this car. Now, if you do this really well, you don't need to use really any fillers at all. And it doesn't take any more time to do it so it's metal finished like that. You just, if you're good, if you have experience and you know what the end result is, you can do it like that and get it to be pretty decent. So I'm happy. Time to go to lunch. Juice.